but we have a broader ambition of supporting innovation and growth, high-tech innovation and growth across the UK, starting here in East London.
This is definitely the way forward. It seems to be very, very easy to implement a pretty high-end product.
It's great for us and it's cheap. That's what I love about the AppShed.
I thought the seminar was really interesting. It's quite fascinating to see how easy apps can be.
The forecast is that by 2015, 2 billion consumers will have smartphones that they'll use to connect to the internet.
And when you think about it, we live in an analogue and very visual world, really. So technology and networks are now sort of catching up with that fact.
You're already seeing the impact of what mobile is doing and what smart devices are doing in terms of how people are accessing the information they want.
So it's fast. As you've seen, Rob built a little demo app there very quickly, very quick to get apps out there.
Our top competitors are getting. They work 24/7, we don't, but the apps can.
It's also cheap. Using that whole AppShed website and for agencies to use it is totally free, and you only pay when we have to get involved to do some work deploying it to the store.
The online design package that they're offering seems to be what we want. The white label aspect of it is very interesting.
It's an intuitive UI. As you can see, it's been designed for business people or for designers, that kind of thing. It's not a development environment, although it can be extended. That's one of the great things, whether it's the Google API or whether it's to some of the popular social media sites.
Something that we can use and we can feel confident using and expanding our capabilities for our clients.
And finally, it's multi-platform, so we take care of all the headaches. Just when iOS brings out a new version with our apps, we have to kind of do some work on some of them because there's not 100% backward compatibility. That's not an issue you as an agency or even as a developer necessarily want to have to worry about. We take care of that for iOS, but then also going forward on the different platforms.
Yeah, it looks quite interesting really. So we're looking forward to the workshop and having a play.
So if you want to check us out, if you want to build an app yourself, go on to www.appshed.com and start building apps.